To add CSS to your HTML document, you have 3 options, and I'll cover each option on its own video. The first option is using the inline style sheet. In this case, you apply the CSS styles directly within an HTML element using the style attribute. Here's how it will look. I will link a video on the screen if you need a refresher on your HTML attribute. So something to note with the inline style sheet is that the style will only apply to the element to which they are attached. For example, if you have multiple paragraphs and you only apply style to one paragraph, that is the only paragraph that will be affected. Now let's see an example of writing an inline style sheet. If heading 1 is your target, add style attribute. At this point, we haven't learned any properties and values, but don't worry, we will spend a lot of time learning about properties and their values. Inside this quotation mark is where we'll add the properties and their values. For example, here I want to change the color properties to tomato, then the font size to 1.5 em. While inline styles offer quick and specific styling, they can make the HTML code less maintainable and harder to update across multiple elements. Now it's your turn. Practice adding styles using the inline style option. Change the color property, font size, just what you have picked up by now. Then in the next video, we'll see another option to connect CSS to HTML. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if you like content like this one, and I'll see you in the next one.